Alright, so we have the air on high. It's at the coldest setting. AC is on, the light is lit. And we got it going to the top vents. This is a 2005 Nissan Altima. And we can feel the air. It's room temperature coming out. It's outside temperature right now it is 73 degrees. So either we have a problem with a low refrigerant or a bad compressor. First thing we have to do is check the level of the refrigerant. Alright, so to check and refill the refrigerant, I went ahead with a can of Arctic Freeze. It is 134A refrigerant. Alright, so the product's going to give you all the step-by-step instructions, as you can see. And I'm just going to give you a visual walkthrough. First step, you're going to need to turn the engine on and the AC on max. Second, you're going to determine if the compressor's on. I know mine is not turning on. If you have low refrigerant, that could be a reason why the compressor's not turning on. So first we need to refill it. And the instructions right there for you. We're going to find the service port. Now finding the service port is going to be pretty easy. You'll notice the aluminum tubing. That's a good sign of the AC unit here. And as you might be able to see, I'll go ahead and take these off so you can see. That one is labeled H for high. And this one here is labeled L for low. This is the one we want. Alright, next you're going to remove the shipping disc. That is the white ring. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, next, attach quick coupler. This right here is the quick coupler. We're going to attach the quick connector. Make sure your car is on when you do this so you can get an accurate reading. Notice it slid down. Nice tight fit. As you can see, we have low pressure on the refrigerant at 10 psi. Our next step is to charge the system. So we're going to go ahead and remove the quick connect, back off, and we're going to stick it onto the can. And if you see these red V lines with the line in the center, we're going to set that to the ambient temperature that is outside, which right now is 73 degrees. So it's right about there. We're going to reconnect the connector. Shake can well. Hold can upright to charge, shaking and rotating from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock every few seconds. Squeeze trigger to dispense contents. Release trigger every 10 to 15 seconds. One more shake. I'm depressing. Hi. And don't forget to shake. I don't know if you can hear it, but the compressor just kicked on. Alright, so we finished up the can, and that's where we got. It's in the green, so I can live with that. And just a few things to finish it up. I already unscrewed the can, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and take this dispenser off, and don't forget it is reusable, so we can keep that in case we need it later. Take that off. And then don't forget to put your cap back on. And we just want to check it, so let's go around.